Good day, class. Today we'll be discussing statistics, where we will consider data presentation. Statistics is the presentation of data, study of data, and interpretation of data. The aspect of statistics we are going to be dealing with is the presentation aspect of data. When you are talking of data presentation, you can do this using your frequency tables, pie charts, bar charts, histograms, pictograms, cumulative frequency curve, frequency polygons, frequency curves. We'll be considering few out of them. Frequency tables. These are tables consisting of your items and their frequencies in order to summarize the data before analyzing it. For example, see number 1. You are to prepare a frequency table for the following data. And the data is this: the number of beans in a sample of 30 cocoa pods are as follows. We have 26, 32, see the items up to the last one, which is 27. So what we want to do with the data there is to present it in a frequency table, and this is how you make your presentation. Number 1, when you check your items you have to arrange them in ascending order in your table. The lowest number there from the number of beans is 25. When you look, you see 25 is the lowest, and the highest there is 32. After 25, you will see 26, there is 27, there is 28, there is 29, there is 30, there is 31, there is 32. So you make your table this way. You have your number of beans. I want tally to be part of my table. Frequency and tally, they are the same. Tally are strokes. Now you arrange the numbers. Remember, I told you the lowest is 25, the highest is 32. You put them 25, 26, 27, like that to 32. Now when we say tally for 25 or frequency for 25, it means how many 25 will you see in the sample given. When you check, you look out for the number of 25 you see. From first row, 1, third row, 2, 3. I'm seeing just 3, and that's why here you see 3 strokes representing 3. Similarly, for 26, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 strokes, 4. For 27, I'm seeing 1, 2, and 3. That's why you are seeing 3 here, 3 strokes. For 28, I am seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. To represent that, you draw 4 strokes. The 5th one, you draw it on the 4th stroke to make 5. Then you start afresh, 6. That's what you have here. For 29, I'm seeing 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why you have 4 here for 29. For 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's why you have this 4 stroke, the fifth one, draw it on it to represent the number 5. For 31, we have 1, 2. For 32, we have 1, 2, and 3, making 3. Now, when you add everything here, it will give you the 30 cocoa pods they talked about. 3 plus 4, that is 7, plus 3, 10, plus 6, 16, 20, 25, 27, 30 to confirm the correctness of your work. Also, when you take number 2, for example 2, you have to prepare a frequency table for this data. Number of boys in the families of 40 parents as follows. Now, in making your presentation, the number of boys, you start from the lowest. 0, there is 1, there is 2, there is 3, there is 4. The highest is 8. Then just as we did earlier, look for the number of zeros there. We have 3. Look for the number of 1 in here. You will see 4 of them. Look for the number of 2 here. You will see 6. To draw tally for 6, 5, that's 4 stroke, the fifth one you draw, then 1. Then for 3, there are 4 of them here. For 4, we have 6 of them. For 5, we have 6 of them. For 6, we have 5 of them. Do your counting, you will see. Move row by row. For 7, we have just 7. We have just 2 of them. For 8, we have 4 of them. Now, when you add all this together, it will give you the 40 parents mentioned here. 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 6, 13, plus 4, 17, plus 6, 23, 29, 34, 36, 40. And this is what you call your frequency table. That's how you make your frequency table. Now, another thing I want us to talk about is a pie chart. Pie chart is another way of data presentation where you use circle divided into sectors, and the angles are proportional to the frequencies of the items. Here, in example 1, we have budget estimation of local government authority for a year. Agriculture 70 million naira, development 80 million naira. In that order, to others 50 million naira. You have to represent this by means of a pie chart. Number 1, these amounts will be converted to angles. So your table will be this way: item, amount, angle. Your items, you write them. The amount, you write them. Add them together: 70 plus 80 plus 110 plus 60 plus 30 plus 50 to give you 400 million naira. Then conversion to angle. To convert to angle, the first 70, to change 70 million to an angle, you say 70 divided by 400 times 360 degrees. It will give you 63 degrees. 80 over 400 times 360 degrees, you have 72 degrees. 110 over 400 times 360 degrees, you have 99. 60 over 400, that's over total, times 360 degrees, you have 54 degrees. 30 over 400 times 360 degrees gives 27 degrees. 50 over 400 times 360 degrees, you have 45 degrees. When you add all these angles here, you must have 360 degrees to confirm your result. Then you draw your circle using your pair of compasses. You draw this for us. This is what you draw. Now in drawing this, you need your protractor to do your work for you. So the center of your circle, draw it to the circumference. This is what I did. Then the first angle 63 to draw it. This line will be my reference line for the first angle. You position your protractor such that the center will be at the center. Then the horizontal line to your right slips on that reference line. Then locate 63. Take the part that is 0. Read it to 63. See my own 63. You see a point here. After you've gotten that point, put the point, join that point to this point here, to this place. You generate this line. Then this new line will now serve as your reference point. You put the center here again. You make sure the line to your right is parallel to it, to the new reference line. The next angle we want to draw is 72. You will locate 72. Look at my 72 here. You read the part that is 0 inside. You see your 72. Put the point here. Then you join this point to your starting point here. You have this. This new line will now be your reference point. You go again. Put your point here, the center of your protractor. Let the line to the right slip on your new reference point. The next angle we want to reach is 99. Read the zeros inside to 99. Look at my own 99. See the point here that will help you. Then join to your origin here. Join this point to the origin. You have this line. This line will now serve as your new reference point. So you move it this way. You put your center here. Let this one, let the line to the right slip on the new reference point. The next angle we want to draw is 54. Read 54 from the inside. See my 54 here. Look at it. You join here to here. Then when you join, you have this. This line will now be your new reference point. That's how you'll be moving. You position it this way. Let this center be here. Then this is your reference point. Locate 27. Want to reach 27. See 27 here. Join this line to this place using your ruler. And you have this. The last angle is 45. You don't need to draw that. And this is how you draw a very beautiful pie chart. So this is the pie chart representing the information. Thank you.